guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. In today's video I want to show you how I'm going to transform this laundry room for my friend, and I'm super excited about this project. So let me show you what I'm going to do. But before that, please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And now let me show you what I'm going to do with this laundry room.
Okay guys, let me show you how this laundry room looks before the makeover, and also I want to tell you guys what are the plans that I have for this laundry room. And what I want to do here is remove the wire shelf and add two new wood shelves to this laundry room, and also incorporate some wallpaper, so something super easy and simple that's going to look gorgeous. And everything is going to be under $200, so super easy. So let's begin with this project. The first thing I did was removing this wire shelf so I can add the wallpaper to this wall. And to complete this project, my husband and my friend helped me. It took them around 5 minutes to remove this wire shelf. After the work done, I have to repair the wall because they left some holes after they removed the wire shelf. So I cover all these holes in the wall before I start adding the wallpaper, because everything have to be nice and smooth for the wallpaper and also clean. So I clean the wall and repair everything before I start adding the wallpaper.
So this is the wallpaper that I'm going to use for this project. I bought this one at Lowe's. I love it. It's beautiful and I think it's going to look great in this laundry room. So I'm super excited. So let's do this. Let's put this wallpaper.
So guys, here are the list of materials you're going to need for this project, and I'm going to share all the items that I'm going to use under this video on the description box if you guys want to check it out later. So let's start adding this wallpaper. So always start in the top corner of the wall. That's very important because most of the walls are not even, so that's the reason I always start in the top corner of the wall. And then all you do with peel stick wallpaper is just peel it and start smoothing everything out. Just go all the way down, make sure it's no air bubbles, and make sure everything is nice and smooth. Also, another thing that I do is leave at least 2 inches of extra wallpaper in the top and the bottom, because again, walls are not even and you need that extra room just in case when you cut the wallpaper in the top and the bottom. So always leave at least 2 inches of extra wallpaper. And then if you going to use a peel stick wallpaper that has a pattern, make sure the patterns line up, because you want everything to look even and nice and beautiful. So adding wallpaper to a laundry room or a bathroom is a great idea because they look great in small places like this laundry room or bathroom. If you're new to my channel, you probably don't know, but I love wallpaper. But if you have been following me for a while, you know I'm obsessed with wallpaper. I use wallpaper all the time because they're super easy to install and they look beautiful. So after I was done adding the wallpaper, my husband helped me to add the new shelves to this laundry room. And the first thing he did, he used a step finder to do some measurements, and he also used some level to make sure everything is nice and level for the new shelves. And I'm going to add two new shelves to this laundry room. So I bought these shelves at Lowe's. It have a gray color, the one that I'm going to use, but they have different ones over there. They have white, black, and I love them because they look very good. And I didn't want something too long for the laundry room. I want to do something different, because at the beginning of this project I did want something long like a wood tom shelf but along the wall, like the same length of the wall. But then I decided to do something different, and I saw these wood shelves I lost, and I love them, and I'm glad I picked them because they look beautiful. And now it's the time to add all the finishing touches to this laundry room makeover. And this is the part that I love and enjoy to do the most because I can see all my ideas coming together. And now it's the time for the reveal, guys. And this is how the laundry room looks before the makeover. And this laundry room was very basic. It had plain walls and the water shelf over the washer and dryer. It was functional but not very pretty. Now it looks gorgeous. I love it. My friend love it too. And I hope guys you enjoyed this laundry room makeover. And I hope you guys like it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos because I love to transform my fixer upper house, but also I like to help my friends to transform their homes in something nice and beautiful. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Thank you for watching.